Hi, welcome to Binging with Babish. Today we're going to be making a Krabby Patty. The first step is to get the burger out of the can. Now this step may seem deceptively easy, but it can hold quite a challenge. The next step is to drain the burger juice. The next step is to crank up that heat. Then apply some oil. The next step is to put your patty in the pan and adjust temperature when needed.
Oh, hello, papagena. Tu le pera con la papaya.
As the special guest was trying to say, add some papaya to the burger. Next, we're gonna go ahead and start getting that beef cooking by breaking it up a bit. Now, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, just a pinch.
Banana.
What was that, Minion? I forgot my secret ingredient. Oh, you're right. Let's put it in. Looking good. Now we're just gonna let it cook and get nice and firm. And just like Spongebob, we're gonna flip it. If your burger falls apart like this, it's fine. Just reshape it into a patty.
No? Macareno.
Next he says to prepare the bun and don't forget to season it for an extra kick. Now that your patty's done cooking, you can now safely transport it onto your bun. and I'm gonna prepare some vegetables as a topping. Can't wait to take a bite of this. Now let's take a peek at that cross section.
So good.